Hey guys, this is Emo Dragon. My bird here wants some food. Come here. Do you want your food? Here. Here you go. Oh yeah. Show me how you eat it. Well, its leg's like really injured, so it can't like fly up here and get into the bowl that actually has the food. So it was crawling on the floor looking for some food, so I gave it some. So yeah, my bird is like a person with Tourette's. I think I look like shit right now. Yes, I do. All right. Are you just busy? Yeah, it's busy. Give it the break for it. Hey, wanna say goodbye? Wanna say goodbye? Goodbye.